reviews.
This is something I've been using for years on my clients. For my bridal clients, everyday clients, it just helps achieve that flawless, even tone, smooth skin finish. Hi, I'm Erica Bogart, professional makeup artist, and I'm here with the Desire Company to talk about some of my favorite primers. One of them is Tatcha, the silk canvas. It goes on so soft and smooth. You want to use your fingertips to apply it to the face and really press it in to minimize any pores. Comes in this container. It is awesome. It doesn't go on like some of the silicone-based ones that seem sticky or kind of ball up on the skin. It's very soft and it gives a very smooth finish. So it is one of my favorites. I've been using it for at least the last 2 years, and they just recently came out with a liquid version of it as well. So it's really exciting if you want to use a different one for your kit, or if you have a preference, maybe you don't want to work with your hands and you prefer to apply it in a different way. Now they give you options. But it is one of my favorites. It glides on smoothly, it's beautiful, and it works on so many different types of skin.